Hi all, now we are going to solve another question. Check the question first. One of the factors of 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 208x is x plus b, where b is a positive constant. And what is the smallest possible value of b? That is what we have to find. So let's see how to solve this question. So here, what is our first step? Our first step is to factor out the common term. So let's see the equation provided, that is 2x cubed plus 42x squared plus 208, right? And we have mentioned that that is x plus b. Okay. So here you have to identify a common term, right? So can you identify any common term? You can easily take 2x outside, right? 2x out. So let's do that first. So from 2x cube plus 42x squared plus 208, we'll take 2x out, which means the equation will transfer 2x into x squared plus 21x plus 104. So this is what your equation now. So now the equation had transformed into a quadratic equation format, right? So now we only need to factor the quadratic expression. So our second step is to find the factor of the quadratic. Okay, so you can either directly use the quadratic method like factorization, or you can use the quadratic equation as well. So now we need to find two numbers that multiplied to 108. So when you multiply x into b, you should get 104. And when you add them, you should get 21. Okay, so this is the only condition. Okay, so we only that b is a positive constant. Okay, so it should be positive as well. So what are the numbers? Any idea? Let's take 13 and 8. So what is 13 into 8? That will give you 104. And what is 13 plus 8? That will give you 21. So it satisfies the condition, right? And if you are not sure with this method, you can directly use the equation. What is our quadratic equation format? That will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. So you can substitute the values here, okay? And then solve, you will get 2 number. And you can take the number according to the question. So in this case, our equation changes like x square plus 21x plus 104 is equal to x plus 13 and x plus 8, right? So the complete factorization is 2x x plus 13 into x plus 8. Okay. And now here you have to identify b, right? So the factors of the form x plus b are, what is the factors in the form x plus b? That is x plus 13 and x plus 8, right? So what are the possible values of b? So the possible values, right? Possible values of b are 13 and 8. Okay, so since the question only asks for the smallest, that is the best here. Okay, so we got two numbers. What is our question specifically asking? Smallest possible value. Okay, so you have to specify it. So what is the smallest number? 8, right? So we will write b is equal to 8. Okay, so the key idea is to first factor out the greatest common factor. Otherwise, we will be stuck. Then factor the quadratic by finding two numbers whose product is the given numbers, okay? And the sum based on the multiplication product and sum. So, if this explanation helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more questions and solutions. Okay. I hope it was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.